Hi everyone! Thank you for visiting my channel today. I have gotten multiple requests from people to make a second video for you guys to learn more about the Chaldean language. Hopefully by the time I finish making a bunch of videos for you guys, you'll be able to master a few words or carry on some sentences. So let's begin the video. Today I'm going to be going over the days of the week. Sunday is pronounced as Choshaba. Choshaba. Whenever you see the K and the H together, that's when you have to start using a light phlegm. Some people mistaken the phlegm to be very harsh, but if you just keep practicing, it just has to roll off the tongue. So it's pronounced as Choshaba. Monday is pronounced as Torshaba. Torshaba. And always remember that Chaldeans always roll their R's. So when you say Monday, make sure that you're rolling the R. Torshaba. Tuesday is pronounced as Tlathushaba. Tlathushaba. This one's a little long one, so listen carefully. Tlathushaba. Wednesday is Erbushaba. 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 Thursday is pronounced Chemshushaba. Chemshushaba. Remember what I said about the light phlegm? Chemshushaba. Now the easiest one out of all of them is Friday, and that is pronounced as Rota. 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 And last but not least, Saturday is Sheptha. 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 So there you have it. Those are the days of the week in Chaldean. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below if you have any other suggestions of what videos that I should post. Thank you.